Hello guys, hope you are doing good. In this video we are going to learn about a swap file. Swap file is basically a file created on your hard disk to work as a memory. For example, your server's memory is 8 GB and you want to create a swap file to work as memory. If your system's memory is consumed up to 100%, the system will automatically utilize a swap file or a swap memory to sustain a huge load. For example, I am going to add a swap file of 512 MB. There are very basic 4 steps. First command is dd. It will be used to create a file. So let's execute this command. First of all, if value, you will go with the defined configuration. Then you can add the path of swap file. I am going to create it in slash directory slash swap file 1. bs is equal to 104 1024 and count will be the multiple of 1024. For example, I am going to create a swap file of 512 MBs. I will multiply 512 into 1024 and I will use this value here in count. Okay, then execute this command. Now if I ls slash swap file 1, it will show me the 512 megabyte size of the newly created file called swap file. So now let's define the permissions of swap file. It's a very secure file, so we can only assign it 600 permissions. Permissions assigned. Now let's make this swap to work as memory. Use the command mkswap, execute it. It will configure this file as a memory file. After this command, we are going to switch it on. We are going to apply this memory. Currently, I have 0 swap space. After this command, I will see swap configured of 511 MBs. So now the system will utilize this memory if physical RAM consumed up to 100%. So now how to automate this file to be mounted at the boot time? Go to etc fstab and add this entry. Add this entry to mount the file at the time of system boot. So the file will be automatically mounted at the time of system startup. Alright, guys, I think this is a very basic and simple guide for you to learn about a swap memory and how to mount a swap file. Kindly subscribe our channel and follow us for further updates and new configuration guides. Thank you so much.